Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, enjoying your studies, and proceeding towards our next module. I'll start today the methods to find prime factorization. In my earlier module, I have told you what is prime factorization. So let's proceed today. The methods how you can find prime factorization of a number. So let's begin. Before starting further, you should know what is prime factorization. So let's begin. Factorization in which every factor is prime is called prime factorization of a given number. Means a factorization in which all the numbers are prime is prime factorization. So let's see how you can find prime factorization. Basically, there are two factors of finding prime factorization of any number. First is factor tree method and the second one is division method. Today we will study both these methods one by one. So, first we will study factor tree method and then we will study division method. Now, first, prime factorization by factor tree method. In this, you have to draw a tree of factors like this. You can see in green color a tree is drawn here. How you can draw this tree? Let's discuss. Suppose I have to draw a factor tree of 12. I have taken a number 12 here. So, I have to break 12 in such a parts such that both the factors must be multiplied together to make 12. So, I have break 12 into two parts, 2 and 6. I have written 2 on the left side. You can see it is 2 on the left side and 6 on the right side. Now 2 is a prime number but 6 is a composite number. So again I will split 6 into two parts. I have to split or we have to split every composite number till we don't have both the numbers prime. So again 6 I will split into two parts, 2 and 3. 2 into 3 is 6. So I have written 2 here and 3 here. Now 2 and 3 both are prime number. So we stop here. Until we get both the numbers as prime, we have to continue this method. We have to split every new composite number into two parts. In this way, we get here prime factorization. All the prime factors you have to write 2, again 2 and 3. So we will get here 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. In this way, you can find prime factorization by factor tree method. Now, we will study the other method, prime factorization by division method. In division method, you have to make a horizontal lines and vertical line. This one you can see a vertical line and there are so many horizontal lines. You can see these we will draw according to the requirements. Now, let's take the prime factorization. I have taken here number 36. So, I will find the prime factorization of 36. First, I will divide 36 by prime number by 2. Because 2 is the smallest prime number. So, let's start with 2. As 36 is even number, so it is perfectly divisible by 2. So, when I divide 36 by 2, I get 18 as quotient. So, I have written here 18. Now 18 is again composite number and again I will divide it by 2 because it is even. So when I divide 18 by 2, I get 9 and I have written here 9. Again 9 is still composite number, so we will further divide it, but it is an odd number, so it cannot be divided by 2. So here I have divided 9 by 3. When I divided 9 by 3, it is quotient is 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So I have written 3 here and 3 here. Now divide 3 by prime number 3. So 3 ones are 3. So I have written 3 here and 1 here. You have to stop till you get 1. If we get 1 here, then we have to stop. And in this way we get here all the prime factors and we have written it here. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. In this way, you can find prime factorization under division method. If you have any query, you can ask me again, or you can reverse the video and see again. I hope you will understand both the methods. In this way, you can do your next worksheet. Thank you, students. But one thing that you have to remember is prime factorization will contain no composite number. There should be no composite number between the prime factorization. All the numbers must be prime. So keep this thing in mind. All the best. Stay safe. Thank you.